Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. Today we'll learn about how to use multiple different processors of ControlNets. So let's go to a screen. So here we have default workflow. We need to clear the screen. Let's start with the line art. So we need line art. Search for the line art. So you have a standard. Then again search for line art. You need realistic. Then line art. You see the ControlNet preprocessor like that. It's writing there. Okay. We have used line art, preprocessor, anime line art, any line art. We use this on anime line art. Okay. Then we need check the line art. So this is the last one we have. Okay. So we give similar image all the preprocessors and see the output. Okay. So we need to load image. Let's try on this one. Okay, let's connect to every image. Okay, so this is the thing you need to play with the side. Resolution is 512. You can give the threshold also. And mostly the resolution you need to focus on. And the strength, which how much threshold you want to give to anything. You need to play with that. You will try an error thing. So start running. So you need to see the outputs. Everyone, which output is more clear or more. For example, this is the first line art, we standard line art. This is realistic line art, which is give us the more accurate lines. This will give a little bit blurry lines in the on the edges. And this is too many. Okay, it takes too many details over there. So you need to choose according to your niche, which processor you need to use. So I give this file link. You can check it out with your niche, and you use that one in the further workflows if you want to build something like that. Now this is the one thing we need add group. This is our line. Okay. Now we go to the depth. Depth ControlNet preprocessors we need. Depth anything thing version 2. Depth preprocessor. Depth map preprocessor. Depth Midas. Lizard. 3D map. Depth. Depth. And refiner. This is for hands. With external detectors. Okay. So we have this much of depth refiners. Let's put it like this. It would be easy for us. We need to give some space for image also. Load image. Okay. Let's take the hands. So we can use that one also with hands. Maybe this one. Okay. Let's use this one. So we are using this girl. And we use this is the thing. Connect with all the nodes we have. Now we need to see the preview. For this one, we need to check the preview here. For this one, we need to check the preview layer. For this one, we need to check the preview layer. For this one, we need to check the preview layer. And for this one, we need to check the preview here. So for this one, we need to check preview. Preview. Okay, this is preview image, and the preview image. Okay. So this is the preview image. Now if we run that one, Q prompt. So for this one, we need detector box. So wait, let's see. So we don't have detector box for hands. So right now we don't use the hands refiner with external detector. Let's remove that one. In the further videos, I will show you what is box detector. So today we only focus on the processors also only. So this will give us this one, this thing, this depth. So if you see, it takes proper depth, but there is a blurry in the sides. But here for with this one, if we see lower depth map, it give us the more accurate one depth, not giving too much blurry things in the sides. Let's see for this one. Okay, so depth anything also gives us the proper depth. You can check with the which one you need as per your needs. So all the things are giving you depth. For example, this is too blurry. This is not the 3D mapping, depth mapping. This is different thing. If you are using for 3D objects, you can use that one. So this will give you the hands. So mesh graphomer hand refiner. This will give you hands for that thing, for that particular image. So this is for hands. So this is how you can check with the different depth for which you want to use. For example, you can use this one. You can use this one. So this is all for the depth. Let me make a group for that also. This is all comes into the depth. Let's come to different one. Let's go to open pose now. Open pose. We have singular open pose preprocessor for everything. We need to load image. Let's see this one. Let's take a same girl. Let's detect this one. Let's preview the image. So for some of the things, just like line art is more using in the architecture side, you can use that. Canny also you can use that at the architectural side. So that will give you like this. Okay, so we can use like this. We can use this thing, this particular control net in this industrial sector we can use. So you need to think like that. Okay, so so it gives us the open pose for that one. So you can use for human poses, you can use open pose. Okay. Let's save it. DW. Okay, let's see what TW poser is doing. Okay. Preview launch. Let's do it. It's same thing. It's give you the also this is the DW poser is also a preprocessor. This will give you the pose also. This will also give you the pose. Now this is for the open pose. Let's start thing. Title this one is open pose. These all are the preprocessor which we use in the apply control nets. In the previous video, we learned how to use multiple control nets. You can use this preprocessor there. It's always used between the case sampler and the conditioning. Okay, so basically in the starting, we learned that how control net works. It is providing the extra condition to the stable diffusion. Okay. Now let's go for the canny. So there are two preprocessor. This is image preprocessor. This is the second one is canny edge. Let's use the same image for that one also. Load image. Let's use this one, this image only. Let's preview it. You can play with the threshold, low threshold, and all the settings. Okay, so this will give you this one. The canny is low threshold, so it will not creating that much, and this is also not great. For example, if we increase the high threshold, for example, let's take it to 500. What it gives? Okay, this is the error it gives. So let's 255 is the maximum value. So it gives me this thing. So let's take a 200 and low threshold should be 50. Let's see now. Okay, it's giving more details. So you see how it works. For example, let's go for 10 threshold. Now it increasing the more details in it. Okay, so you can play with this like 0.1 also. It will give you some more lines, but it's not giving me our desired output. So we use this canny H for our workflows. So this is all for canny. Let me add in the group also. Canny. Okay. Let's use some scribe. Mostly we only use these open pose and all. Scribe I don't use much in my workflows. So these two are the scribes. Let's take this load image, this image only. Let's use different image, maybe will not working properly. Okay, so let's take an image for this one. Okay. Premium and premium. So let's start it, this one. So okay, so this will give me the scribe images. You can change the threshold also. Let's write for 16 and view this one. It will give you more details. Less threshold means more details it will add into your image. So this will give you more control over the image all in this. We see different preprocessor. You can check with other also. You can use for SDXL also. This it is using same. The preprocessor can't be changed. Only the model change. For ControlNet we use in that one. So hope you like this video. I will share this whole file, whole JSON file with you in the description. You can download directly from there. And I will share the link of this one so you can download all the models. If you like the video, subscribe us. We will come with free community on ComfyUI, and we have the live projects going on the ComfyUI. So for some of our subscriber, we will give projects. If you are really interested in it, so subscribe us, follow us. Thank you.